Hi, today I'm for a few Motorola One 5G8 and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on that device. So just to do that, let's first open the settings app and then tap to the sound and vibration. Here you'll see ring and notification one-on panel, and just to mute them we should hold and slide to the left side this one-on panel. But by this way you'll mute not only notifications but also the ringtones. And if you want to stay with the ringtones, just first unmute this one-on panel. Tap to advanced and click to default notification sound and switch your currently sound to none. Then tap to OK, and by this way we'll mute our notifications but we'll stay with the ringtones. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.